This is Boncuk. She is one of my local cats that I feed every day. And she gave birth. Guess where? On top of that building. Come here. Mom. Hey. It's dangerous. Hey. 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 Boncuk. Boncuk. Şimdi mi getirdi yani? Yani şu bahçeye indi, bahçeden buraya gidiyor demek ki. She's right here with one of her babies. Maybe she has only one baby, I don't know. Yeah. Come here. Boncuk, gel kızım. We only saw one kitten inside. Yeah. Maybe she has more. So I'm gonna wait here and listen to meowing sounds. And also I watch her closely. Look where she is going. If she goes only to her one kitten, she has one. She's going. She's right over there. She's going to cafe. Yeah, she's right over there. I think she has only one kitten. Come on. Let's bring down the last of them. Come on. I don't know how many kittens she has. But yeah, we are waiting for her. I'm just gonna leave her alone a bit because she's so friendly. She never leaves me alone. Found the ladder. It's quite heavy. Let's rescue them. I can't see anything. What happened? Come on. Bring them down. Or bring them here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, I love you too. But it's not the time right now. Yok mu hiç?
Yok, hiçbir şey gözükmüyor.
She climbed up there again. Yeah. The workers of the cafe only saw this kitten, and we saw she carried her inside. Yeah, she's a female by that. What? Let's wait. I'm gonna wait here a couple of hours. I didn't hear any meowing sounds except this kitten and her. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. She's been here almost 2 hours and she never left with our baby. Yeah, I think she has only one kitten, but I'm gonna still wait. It's been nearly 4 hours. She never left here, only went outside and let me pet her, then went back. It's been nearly 5 hours. I think we are ready to go. She has only one kitten. Also, I told the people who work here to keep an eye. We are walking back home like this with a ladder and cats and a kitten. This is her net now. It was hers, but she's now well. She has everything in here: food, water, toilet, and a house. Hey, Scottish. What happened? I know. She is new. I have so many videos about her on my channel, and she's so lovely. Yeah, I love her. My little girl. Good morning, little girl. Good morning. Oh, where did you leave your baby? Hmm? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi to me? She was with her baby all night, and Leo and her doesn't get along at all. Yeah, we will figure this something. Hey, don't do that. We will figure something out. Can I look at your baby? Hmm? Come on, let's look at her. Make sure she's okay. Yeah, she's sleeping. Oh, come on, get in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I know, time to feed her. Come on. Oh, my lovely little girl. She barely fits here, but yeah, I tried this house, but she doesn't like it at all. She carries her baby right back. So just wait a couple of days, then she'll decide where to sleep.